So, I just unlocked Revolver. As you can see, I only spent 3 minutes on it. And in that 3 minutes, I can tell the Revolver was up. I've only spent 3 minutes on it, so let's play with it some more. First game, we will only be using Revolver to show you how it is. I will also be using the mobility on side. This first game seems to be a level 7 newbie. So, it's 35 damage and 50 of headshot. Very clean kill. Okay, we got second round. The mobile auto aim is carried. What is he doing? Round 3. He's so laggy. I guess that's why. Anyway, fourth round. Where did this kid go? I can't find him. Found you. Too easy. Last round match point. Were. I keep missing even with auto aim. That was a very clean kill. First win. Okay, let's see how the Revolver go against duos. They are both hiding here. Revolver carry. Too easy. Third round. Stop running. I killed him with burst rifle by accident. LOL, the other teammate left him. Dub. Third round with Revolver. Oh my god, it's the same person from the first round. He's going to get clapped again. Did you guys see that? Wall hack. Sheesh. He getting destroyed so hard, Aaron. Okay, GG win. This time we are in construction game mode. I keep slipping off. Katana is a counter to revolver. Get clapped. We don't talk about that. Almost fell for it. Oof. Fourth round. Mega fail. Okay. Match point. He's spamming katana. Hiding here for now. W. Next round. He instantly grenade jumped over. I got killed. Again. We. Oh nah. I'm so cooked. The revolver need to carry. New match point. Okay, good start. Very intense battle. I'm not winning this. Okay, last round of this video. Free 3. Even he says it's up. Is he good? I won't even move. That was so delayed. Match point. I'm not even trying at this point. I keep missing with that move. GG. So that will be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and see you guys next time.